flooding, what causes it, and what we can do to prevent it. If you live here in Mandaue or in Metro Cebu, you might have noticed that the days when it rains hard or when it rains for days, flooding is always seen around the city. Sometimes it rises up to a foot high or even more. What causes this event? Let us start by talking about our rivers. A river is a natural flowing body of water, usually fresh water, flowing towards the ocean, sea, lake, or to another river. In some communities, rivers are being used as a source of water, obtaining food, and for transport. Now, it's quite interesting to know that flooding is actually a natural part of a river's cycle. The majority of the erosion of river channels which are deposited on the floodplains occurred during a flood. However, in many developed and urbanized areas like Cebu and Mandaue, human activity severely increases the frequency of flood. So if there are more people living in an area, there are more chances that flooding will occur. There are 6 major rivers in Cebu. We have the Butuanan River in Mandaue, Guadalupe River in Cebu, Sapandaco in Toledo, Guindarohan in Minglanilla, Luknay in Liloan, and Cansaga in Consolacion. Sadly, according to reports from the Sunstar, Central Visayas is one of the lowest performing regions in the quality of its rivers. And according to the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, or DENR, the Butuanan River in Mandaue is the worst. But this is also due to urbanization, since a lot of people, factories, and companies are in Mandaue. Since there are a lot of people living and working in highly urbanized areas, this means that there would be a lot of trash and waste products. Garbage, when not disposed properly, can enter into the drainage and waterways and contribute to flooding. So the next time you pass by a river, try looking at it. How is its condition? Is there a lot of trash in it? How do we help our rivers? To start, a DENR is implementing the Adopt a River program, is where a company takes charge of the cleanliness and maintenance of certain parts of a river. Since then, 25% of the Butuan River has been revitalized. We, as Ateneo Hortus, can help our rivers and Mother Nature in general in our own little ways. We can also plant trees, shrubs, and grass that can break the power of moving floodwater and help reduce erosion. The plants also help absorb the water when it rains. Pick up trash, even when it's not yours, and don't leave them lying around so they don't end up on our waterbeds. Let us dispose our trash properly in their designated bins at school and at our homes. Please think about a small candy wrapper in your hand. Instead of throwing it out your car or to the floor beside you, put it in your pocket and throw it in the next garbage can you see. In our own little ways, we can help conserve Mother Nature and protect her from further destruction. We need Mother Nature, and Mother Nature needs our help. It's about time we step up to the plate and do our share for her protection. This has been Roman Guanco reporting live for the Ateneo Blue Report. Thank you, and a good day to all.